philosophically, you can do training as much or as little as you like. Clearly, if you want people to improve their performance, you're going to have to give them the tools, the training, and resources to execute the skill sets that you hope that they actually do for your brand promise. So for us, that's selling service agreements, that's presenting lead turnover options, repair versus replace. It's being comfortable with the customer to have a dialogue about, airflow, cut-ins, return air, supply air balancing, warm, cold, hot spots, those types of things. Applying that concept to our business, which would be HVAC, electrical, plumbing. We could have pest control, remodeling. We could also have solar. Obviously, we have seasonality. We have accessories. We have very different kinds of time of the year when we might want to present communication options to homeowners. So we have to put our people in a position to recognize what's appropriate, what we're trying to promote, and what we might want to have those conversations about. No negative Nellies. We're talking about positive energy, positive reinforcement, a winning philosophy, a winning attitude. The Dennis Waitley, just think positively. Think about what you can accomplish. So those are the kinds of meeting topics. You could always introduce, a phrase, a quote. You can start your meeting with the idea that Abraham Lincoln said one time, if I had 6 hours to cut down a tree, I would spend the first 4 hours sharpening my axe, so I only had to spend 2 hours of work time to cut down the tree. I mean, that's kind of the basis of how you might want to start your meeting.